Hi students and families. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily use the Google Classroom. We are going to be using Google Classroom every single week for your lesson plans. Everything you need to know for the week is going to be found in your Google Classroom. All you have to do is open your Gmail. Make sure you're in your Epic Gmail account. You'll know you're there because you'll see the Epic logo in the top right-hand corner. Once you're there, click on this waffle icon. Then click on Google Classroom. Once you've clicked on this, you'll see the classrooms that your teacher has added you to. So you'll need to hit join, which will be right here in the bottom left of the whatever classrooms you're in. So either hit join, or if you've already joined, just click in the classroom. So let's say, for example, let's say you're in 6th grade. So let's go to the 6th grade tab. Now, once you're in whatever classroom you have, we are going to scroll down. This is like your just like a Facebook group page. So we're going to scroll down to the first week of school right here. First week of school assignment 1. Once you click on it, the post you need for that week, don't worry about this student work tab, which is what it'll bring you to. Just click on instructions. Yours will hopefully bring you to instructions. I think mine from the teacher side shows student work. Yours should just do right to instructions. So you simply follow the instructions, homework help directions, and first week of school. It's very important you read every single line item carefully, parents and students. Okay, this will tell you everything you need to know for the first week. Myself and any other teachers will be checking up on you to make sure you've got this down. Now to exit this screen, you can hit the back button, of course, or you can just hit this highlighted classroom title. Now let's go to the next week. Assignment number 2. These go by weeks. Assignment 2, instruction is, all right, there's a few more instructions here. Wahoo, you survived your first week of Epic Charter Schools. It's very important to do everything in your Google Classroom each week. If you do not stay on pace, there is a possibility you will be withdrawn for truancy. Please look at the list below and work your way through each step. You are expected to have each item complete by Friday. So it's very important that you check this Google Classroom in your class that your teacher added you to on Monday. Sunday night, Monday morning, as long as it's the first of the week. And then go ahead and check it every morning after that just to make sure you know what to do each day. But it's vital that you check this because this is your whole lesson plan for the week, and it changes every week. So you must check it every Sunday night or Monday morning. Let's look at our to-do list. Number 1, ELA, English Language Arts, Google Doc. All right, that's attached right here. Number 2, Math Google Doc. That's attached right here. 3 and 4 are Epic Essentials, 1 lesson a day in Dreambox, 30 minutes a day in MindPlay. 1 read theory passage a day. Your teacher will help you set this up. Your Epic Live classes, once they've started, your teacher can help you with that as well. And 7 is attend our online co-op classes. And you should be getting more information about that as well. Let's look at our Google Docs really quickly before we go. We'll only be doing these Google Docs every other week. So if they look a little packed, don't worry. You're only going to be doing these every other week. So in these Google Docs, they're all going to be focused around a certain topic. So there'll be some different YouTube videos to watch on a topic. Then there's going to be IXL skills to do on that topic. Remember, we require a SMART score of 80 or above before moving on to the next one. This year we've incorporated either Quizlet or Padlet for vocab words. We're also going to be doing spelling and journal prompts and using Mastery Connect. Then there's a Genius Hour where we're going to do some little fun projects. I'll get to the math Google Docs in a different video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.